Have you noticed the giant shift in the market? I'm not just talking about interest rates, but in client expectations and where the client's head is. Super important. Hey everybody, Bizzarro here, Be Great in Real Estate. And I want to touch on this quickly because we're training on this constantly. People are asking me constantly about what the market's doing to the mindset. But more importantly, not even the mindset of the buyer, but what is it doing for you all as real estate agents? And are you prepared for the shift that's happened, and still going to come? I've been through 3 or 4 of these already in a long time being in the industry. I don't need to date myself. But when these shifts happen, call it interest rates, call it financial crashes, call it whatever it was in the back, that's the piece that you have to have the consumer. You have to know how to handle the consumer, but breaking it down, that was bright. Breaking it down to the most important piece is you need to know that the consumer wants an expert right now. The consumer wants somebody that's going to take their hand and guide them through the fear of this market. Now, I'll talk to you all day long about most of the fear in this market. It's unsubstantiated and is nothing, but they don't know that, especially if they watch the news, right? News is the worst thing for a buyer to watch. But if you understand that what the client is looking for is a knowledgeable expert that will walk them through the process and assure them you're going to have success in this market. Those of you that can't, those of you that don't know your market, you don't know the trade, you don't know how to do your job, not necessarily beginners, that's a little bit different because you're learning, but for newbies, you need to have someone coaching you and training you on how to do this. Because if not, you're going to fall very short. This market is going to thin out a lot of real estate agents who are just doing it part-time, who are just trying to make transactions but aren't understanding the mindset of the client, the mindset of what's going on in this market behind just showing properties. So I just want to leave you with that note. We'll continue to talk more about this and be great because I want everybody to succeed. And this is for everybody to just succeed, to be better and take our profession to the next level. But you got to know the buyer mindset. They want that expert. They want that neighborhood expert. They want that expert in the process. And if that's not you, you need to give strong thoughts about how you're going to align yourself to become that, or what steps are you going to take to become the agent that's needed in this market. It's needed for the rest of this year and probably all through 2023. All right, love to hear your comments. Reach out, send me a shout, a like, a DM. We'll talk more about it. All right, have a great day.